I want to show you how I was able to get wireless CarPlay in my 2020 Lexus ES350. From factory, this car does come with CarPlay, however, it's only wired, which is a bit annoying because you don't want to always have to plug your phone in and have it charging when you want CarPlay. So this provides a much better solution. It's just a small USB dongle that you plug in, and it works perfectly. You can use the touchpad here. It works just like regular CarPlay. This is what it looks like. It's a very simple setup. Just follow the user manual. They include a few adapters that you can use. A right angle adapter and a longer cable extension. Once you set it up, it works seamlessly. You just have to have your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, and when you get into your vehicle and turn it on, it just automatically connects. When you hit the menu button, you can see it automatically detects Apple CarPlay. You just hit that, and that's it. If you want to see how I installed this Viofo A19 mini dashcam hardwired to the panel over here, it's a very simple plug-and-play hardwire setup. I will leave a link to my previous video and you can watch that.